I really did need me a new fruit basket, y'all. So I went ahead and got this one, and this one actually has a hanger for the bananas, but don't freak out if you're a person who does not like to put things together. It is super simple, easy to put together, so let me just show you how. Okay, so here is all the pieces you will receive. Look at that. It's not even a whole lot, and the instructions are legit. It basically tells you verbatim how to actually make this work, so you are going to be getting some great instructions when you get this in the mail. Shout out to them for actually giving me this little free gift inside. You actually put this on the back of your phone, so you have the little ring there. So look at that. You also have two options when it comes to using this fruit basket. You can actually put it as a 2-tier or a 1-tier and give you instructions for both. Here is option 1 without the actual banana holder thing attached. There is these little ball feet at the bottom of each of these baskets. So if you did want to just have them by themselves this way as well, that's definitely an option because you do have something that's not going to make them scrape against your actual countertop. And here is option 2 with the actual banana holder installed. As you can see, you need to bring it through the top part and attach it here, not under, but on top. And finally, you can have the banana hanger over the smaller basket. It is not long enough to fit in the center of the big basket, and you can have the big basket to hold whatever you like. And this is how I utilize it inside of my kitchen. Because my height is too short, I couldn't do a 2-tier, so I did one holding the actual bananas and the other holding other things in my kitchen.